Hey everybody, I'm spending a beautiful afternoon here at Wahlfield Park here in Kent County, Michigan. It's just gorgeous out there today. It's about 87, but there's a light breeze and it's very comfortable. I'm show you what I'm doing here. Just having me some coffee and made a pot of chili. It's always good when you're cooking outdoors and eating it there too. And this is such a beautiful place to do it at. I'm gonna go for a walk after I finish my second cup of coffee and take you down the trails a little bit. But yeah, this is a nice place. If you're ever in Kent County area, it'd be worth checking out. And if you have kids, there's a really nice playground too. Running water in the bathrooms. So that's it for now, and I'll pick it up again when I'm on the trail. Okay, I finished my lunch and my second cup of coffee, and here I am at the trailhead. Let's take a look here. Wahlfield Park Mountain Bike Trail Network. Just talking about the dangers and that you're biking at your own risk. It's also a walking trail too. They do have designated areas for mountain bike only though. And maybe I can get most of that in. And if you want to read it all, you can pause it. Let's take a walk. This is talking about when it's muddy, it's closed off traffic to prevent erosion. And here we go. Don't know if I'll do the whole trail or not. I do have a family obligation later that I have to go to my kid's house, which I always enjoy. I love my kids. So Will, I hope you're watching this, because this is an absolutely beautiful place, and I know your areas that you go to are absolutely gorgeous. If you're ever in western Michigan, Kent County, this would be worth your time. It's absolutely beautiful here. I've spent many an afternoon here hanging out, cooking, hiking, making lunch, or just chilling. Okay, continue on the trail, because I don't know how far I'm gonna go. Tell you the truth, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. Probably should be out of here before 4 or shortly after. You might be able to see the pavilion in the background. That's where I had my lunch and my coffee. Definitely in full bloom here. Love the colors. If I stopped for everything though, I would never get done. Never actually brought my mountain bike out here. Done a lot of hiking out here, but I think these trails might be a little too advanced for me. Not that I couldn't handle it, but I'm not a spring chicken anymore. I don't want to overdo it. I can overdo it on more moderate trails. This isn't bad here, but as we get out further, there's trails that branch off that are... Ooh, rabbit. Hope that camera picked it up. Rabbit, that other trails that branch off, and they require more skill. Monarch flew away. I was hoping to get close enough. This feels good. A little humid. All kinds of berry bushes. I'm not sure if they're elderberry or what. A bunch of sumac. Well, I'm gonna pick it up again when I get to an open lookout place. Looks like deer or maybe even bikes. There's another trail that you can hit down there. Might be bikes, but I'm gonna pick this up again in a few. Okay, this is top of the hill where I like to come and just sit and view, see if I can see any wildlife at dusk. Seen quite a few deer here and other wildlife, a fox once, but it's beautiful here. Probably won't stay much longer. I am going to do the whole trail, but been hearing a lot of thunder. Haven't seen any lightning yet, but yeah, it's absolutely wild out here. There's a bench. Nice place to sit and view, but I'm going to continue the trail before I get downpoured on, and I'll catch you at the end. I'm getting close to the end of the trail now, so I'll show you what that looks like. Still quite wild to the end. Beautiful sights all the way through. Some bridges that go over a creek. I'll show that sometime. I did a couple years ago, I believe. I'll show that again sometime. And for Will, I'll walk the mountain trails some and show you what they look like. Yeah, I think you'd really enjoy them. I probably will experience them at some point too. But here's the other entry. Just like the other one. I got two trails in there. A longer one and a shorter one. And they alternate days of which way to go, clockwise and counterclockwise. Here's the other entry area. Small pavilion at this end as well. Not like the big one down there, but it's still very nice. Got a nice big grill, preparation table, and 8 or 9 picnic tables there, trash cans. Interesting bird facts here. whole bunch of different species. Okay, have a good evening, everybody. Bye for now.